Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the most captivating ideas and books from around the world. Today, we're exploring the iconic personal finance book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Get ready to challenge your beliefs about money and learn some valuable lessons on wealth building. Let's get started. Rich Dad versus Poor Dad. The book tells the story of Robert Kiyosaki's two dads, his biological father, the poor dad, and his best friend's father, the rich dad. These two men had entirely different mindsets and attitudes towards money, which greatly influenced Kiyosaki's financial journey. The poor dad, a well-educated man with a stable job, focused on job security and believed in the traditional route of working hard for money. In contrast, the rich dad, an entrepreneur, emphasized financial education and smart investments. Lesson 1. The rich don't work for money. One key lesson from the book is that the rich don't work for money. Instead, they make money work for them. While the poor dad believed that a stable job and working hard for money would lead to financial security, the rich dad focused on creating assets that generate passive income. These assets could include businesses, real estate, stocks, or other investments that provide a regular cash flow without requiring constant effort. Lesson 2. Financial education is essential. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial education. The rich dad taught him about financial concepts like cash flow, assets, and liabilities. Understanding these concepts is crucial to becoming financially successful, as it helps you make informed decisions about managing money and investments. By educating yourself about personal finance and investment strategies, you can identify opportunities to build wealth and avoid common financial pitfalls. Lesson 3. Mind your own business. Another lesson from the book is to mind your own business, meaning you should focus on building and maintaining your personal assets, like real estate or businesses, rather than just working for someone else. This way, you can create multiple streams of income and grow your wealth over time. By investing in your own business ventures, you can take control of your financial destiny and work towards financial independence. Lesson 4. Taxes and corporations. Kiyosaki explains how the rich use corporations to their advantage to minimize taxes legally. By understanding tax laws and leveraging the power of corporations, the rich can keep more of their money to reinvest in their businesses and assets. This strategy allows the wealthy to grow their wealth faster and more efficiently than those who are solely reliant on earned income from a job. Lesson 5. The rich invent money. The book highlights the importance of being creative and resourceful with money. By finding opportunities and utilizing their financial intelligence, the rich can create wealth in ways that others may not see. This could involve identifying undervalued assets, creating innovative business models, or spotting market trends before they become mainstream. Cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset and staying open to new ideas can help you discover unique ways to generate wealth. Lesson 6. Work to learn, not to earn. Kiyosaki emphasizes the value of learning various skills and gaining experience in different fields. This approach can help you become more versatile and increase your financial intelligence, which is crucial for wealth building. Instead of focusing solely on earning a high salary, prioritize opportunities that allow you to develop valuable skills, expand your knowledge, and make connections that could benefit your future business endeavors. Lesson 7. Overcoming obstacles. The book also discusses common obstacles people face when trying to achieve financial success, such as fear, cynicism, laziness, and arrogance. By recognizing and overcoming these obstacles, you can develop a more productive mindset and make better financial decisions. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of confronting your fears, particularly the fear of losing money, and learning from your mistakes to grow both personally and financially. Lesson 8. Take action. Lastly, Kiyosaki stresses the importance of taking action. Knowledge alone is not enough to create wealth. You must be willing to apply what you've learned, take risks, and learn from your mistakes. Procrastination and indecision can be significant barriers to financial success, so it's essential to move forward with your plans and continually refine your strategies based on your experiences and new information. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a must-read for anyone looking to improve their financial situation and develop a wealth-building mindset. By understanding the lessons from Kiyosaki's two dads, you can shift your perspective on money and take charge of your financial future. The book challenges conventional wisdom about money and encourages readers to think differently about wealth creation and financial success. We hope you found these insights valuable and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for joining us today, and as always, keep learning, stay curious, and until next time, happy reading.